So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now you're going to head over to the Processes tab. And if your tabs are missing, I'm going to show you to fix that. So by default, it's going to look like this. And if they're missing, then it's going to look like this. So what you want to do is you want to right click on name, and now this will come up. If you're using Windows 11, you may have to right click on either name or on the white space right here. Right click on one of those two. So now once you right click on it, you're going to be having all of this. And let's say that I select CPU, this will come up. Now you can just select everything else that you need. And if you just want to go back to the default how it was before, I'm going to show you the exact order for that. So first you want to right click on name, select CPU, right click, memory, right click, disk, right click, network, right click, power usage. This is for Windows 10. So these first four is for Windows 11, and now for Windows 10, right click again, power usage trend. So this is for Windows 10, and the first four is for Windows 11. And you could also right click again, and there's also more things you can choose from like GPU, GPU engine, command line, and yeah, that's how you do it.